Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eid and Eid again with you. So today we're going to be learning a full beginner small course of HTML. Let's start. So the first thing you need to know is this is like the beginner video. So this is the first tag. So we're going to do shift and 1. Sorry. So to start if you want to start from really beginning, like a really beginning code, you have to go click on the file, download Visual Studio Code first, and then click on the file, new text file, save as, name your file. Let's say first lesson dot html. The dot html you have forever have to put it, and then save it. So it's gonna be appearing on your files. I have a different file for like two different files for my codings. Like here's it, this one and this one. So now we're gonna click on the file you named just first lesson, and here's it. We still didn't write anything, so nothing is gonna appear. So we're gonna do shift and 1 and then enter, or just click the following thing. So now, the first thing I need you to know, there are 6 headings. The biggest heading is number 1 heading, and the smallest one is 6. So your tags, whenever you write something in HTML, the tags start with brackets, like this, and close like this. So let's write h1 and then close it. And then the second one is going to appear. So this is the closing tag. This is the opening tag. That's how we call it. So when you close the HTML tag, the heading tag, you have to put this first. Inside, let's write something. For example, subscribe. Yeah, it wrote it. So next thing, H2. The same thing, subscribe. Save it, Control S. Oh, that was a weird one though. Let's fix this. So how to save it? How to make sure um your file is saved? So first of all, check this. If it's a circle, it's not saved. You have to save it. If it's an X, you saved it. Next is H3. Same thing. And then next is H4. Subscribe. H5 and 6, and let's see. Whoa, I didn't save it. As you can see, it's a circle. So you cannot change because there's nothing bigger than H6. It's just H6. There's no H7. I'll just write H7 and you'll see where it will bring. So just search for and H5. and then 6. So look, maybe I didn't save it. Here is it, the smallest one. I think I wrote something wrong. And yeah, those are the headings. So if I write, for example, H7 or 8 or 78 or whatever, see what it's gonna do. This is wrong. Let's see what it's gonna do. What? It's gonna write it, but it's not a heading. It's something else. I don't know. It looks like a paragraph because heading is like bolder. Headings are from H1 to H6, nothing more or less. The smallest thing is a paragraph with a p tag. A p tag like writes it like this. So this is what it's gonna happen when you write H7. Let's compare it to H7. It's gonna be almost the same. Let's check. Yes, it's the same. So H7 is not a heading. It's morely of a paragraph. But for a paragraph, we have a tag and it's the P. So we don't need the H7 or more than H6. So I teach you P2. So let's write the P. Yeah, P is like this. Oh. So now this H1 headings. Oh, sorry. Control C. So look, so HTML is hypertext tech markup language. So and this is more of a house. And CSS adds all the designs and colorful stuff in the house. HTML itself is a bold house. CSS makes it creative, like with a fountain with some cheese, palm trees, some beautiful decorations like LED lights. JavaScript adds, for example, the couch, the kitchen, inside the kitchen, whatever you have, a pan, food, and stuff. Next thing I'm going to teach you is a BR, break. BR is not a closing tag. So it doesn't close like this one. P's and the I just does. Headings do. B is just to leave a break between something. So for example, this is before without break, and this is with break. We added it from middle in the middle of H1 and H2. Let's see what happens. It just leaves a space. You may need this. shall I teach you? So now let me teach you guys how to post images on your app. So it is the img tag. It does not close again. So you write img and then src and then alt. So src is the place where you leave the link, and then alt is for whenever you leave the link over here. Alt is there to help. When, for example, the user, the human that deleted the picture from the internet, and then the internet doesn't let you show the picture inside your app, that means whatever text you write in this alt, it will bring up there instead of the image. Okay, so this alt is really useful. Another way is you can save the image so it doesn't get deleted in the future. You can save it and then from your files just post it to here. That's another way. I'm just gonna get it from the internet. Nature. Let's do it. Images. So click on the images and then you choose an image, whatever image you would like whatever image. So you paste it on the src and then whatever was pictured in the image, you write it here in the alt. Beautiful. Just describe it. Here is it. So it kind of looks too big. So what we gotta do is over here, after this quotation mark, do a space, and then write style, like this. Click here, and then choose this, width, and then make it bigger, like a smaller, 100 pixels. PX, you need it. You have to write it after the thing. Smaller did too much, I think, but it's okay. I guess this was the absolute beginner lesson of today, and goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.